If you've been scrolling through social media and suddenly found yourself mesmerized by those stained glass pet lamps from Blues.com, whether it's the cute French bulldogs, sleepy cats, or even a stained glass Bigfoot, you're not alone. These quirky lamps are designed to grab your attention, and they definitely succeed at that. But before you get too excited and type in your card number, let's take a closer look. Is Blues.com a legit online store or just another cleverly disguised scam? After carefully reviewing the site from top to bottom, several red flags start to pile up. For starters, the website was only recently created, which in itself isn't a crime, but when paired with vague or missing company information, it raises suspicion. Their About Us section is filled with generic feel-good language, but provides no real background, history, or ownership details. The contact page doesn't do much better. Instead of a proper company email, they use a Gmail address, which is highly unprofessional for any serious business. And the physical address listed appears to be fake or unverifiable. Things get even more questionable when we run a reverse image search on their product photos. Turns out many of these images are copied from other websites, often from sellers on Etsy or AliExpress, suggesting that Blues AI likely doesn't manufacture these items themselves. Even more concerning is the fact that there's zero customer feedback, no reviews on the website, no verified testimonials, and no social media presence at all. In today's world, it's almost unheard of for a brand that claims to be popular not to have even a basic Instagram or Facebook page, and that silence speaks volumes. According to Even Insights, a tool that tracks trust and legitimacy for e-commerce sites, Blues AI scores under 10%, which is far below what you'd expect from a reputable store. With no transparency, stolen product images, suspicious contact information, and no customer interaction, the picture becomes increasingly clear. That said, I'm not here to flat out declare this a scam. It's possible they do ship products sometimes. But the overwhelming lack of credibility, trust signals, and transparency should make any buyer pause. If you're someone who values your money and peace of mind, you should probably think twice before making a purchase from Blues.com. There are plenty of trusted, verified retailers offering similar items with real reviews and secure payment systems.